Are you going to cite the book you just read in your paper? Well, make sure to add it to your work's cited page. But which of the core elements are needed for a book on a works cited page? If we start from the beginning of the core elements list, first, we need to look for the author, Alex Romanoli. Books are self-contained, so the title of the book serves as both source and container. Enter the superheroes, American values, culture, and the canon of superhero literature. Now we can look for the publisher, the Scarecrow Press. Notice I've used a P to shorten press. And finally, the date of publication is 2013. Now that we've listed our core elements, let's take a look at how the entry would appear on our works cited page. The author is last name, first name, and the book title is in italics.